Alright, anyway, fresh and can su ena mede bro. That was Silver TV. Fresh. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Na emboy me jumedi eni nkoyi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko baby eni. Akweshe baby eni go stars by 1-0. Peter Aminu Aqua. We'll talk about the observations. Benya nuntini eshia. Observations in the baba. The observations in the baba. But and Ray me mau hot headline. First player Asante Kotoko. Ebe signing no. And oma signing no. Because omo be na esa afi no. Oma signing no. For the second round. Nidin ewo menim ha say. Confirmed. This is confirmed. But me na me dey ma first. And Ray ewo ntentani nyina so. Nyame yaro mo chena. Medom wasuko bebre editorial team ye ne kakra. But by the end of this video, now the first player Asante Kotoko signing on for the second round, within the ding, the positions, and every details that was in the amount. So stay tuned. Me say confirmed when you speculation, yes, or about what signing every for Kotoko. So that TV you buy no subscribe to account no. Na aboa me edwumade na koye what yen concept because na Kumasi Asante Kotoko pie mo baabi ani e ko share baabi ani go stars by 1-0 hu be hia se yedi mu nchiremu ebebre mo e wo dwumade no so now lineup no as usual Moise Poate edemu ema obenya Rocky Jamna Michael Che Jamna Justice Blaze Sharif Mohammed Fomi Nina boy. Yusuf Nuruddin John Tedeku Kuala Isaac Kopon Baba Ayamunina Ejine Musiakan Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na game no mame mao details kakra of the game na yehudie ekoso. The best player edeko ma Sharif Mohammed midfielder. Ono NA the best player Sharif Mohammed midfielder. Most promising player Ekoma Baba Yaya. Most promising player Ekoma Baba Yaya. And a defender, best defender Ekoma Vincent Atenga. Best defender Ekoma Vincent Atenga. Unfortunately, John Tedeku and the second yellow card, Emma Tedeku the red card. That is very, very unfortunate. Tedeku the red card. Na hagen kakra. Entimi ambwa enshesheno. Yellow card ne Kotoko players ni di pa. John Tedeku the yellow nibi. Ushemu Moise Poate so edi yellow nibi. Rocky Jamna munyina echechere yellow ni bi edeswai ema chese ensempi Isaac Kopon di yellow a lot and the yellow cast no Kotoko mran chere chechere swapa omo chechere yellow ni swapa ana and so ya some fufro ewo ha mede ema ewo Silver TV na young observations no we are na the transfer news na mam. The first observation you said Kotoko form no move is very painful. Say the first one, baby. I'll be honest with you. I feel the pain in my heart. Say match be any hobby. Because now Kotoko is on a mission. Mediama, Legon Cities, Brekum Chelsea, Nations FC, Heart to Folk, Olympics near draw, RT, Bofuakwatano, and now baby and go stars 9 matches Asante Kotoko is undefeated. 9 matches Kotoko is undefeated. Chese ka uhwemu pa ka feno jakoko no aso. Anka teams na enyo started first round na enyo manko ina fi pa ni yesu ye benyo mo. Tinka Kotoko benya eye Heart of Lions. Na wenya baby and go stars na nkasa wo baba ya. Na nko wenya Kawela wo Tamale. Na Accra Lions money ade na eba Nations mo ba to mo Kotoko start ye nko yira fe na nko jakoko na so a ye be sane egu omo so watching Kotoko I feel the pain of the team going on a break, because just like the international break in Europe, it comes with two things. Sometimes teams will hormone performing international break nebebano or international break and they're able to get their rhythm, get their groove on. Anyway, teams will also they are performing well. International break nebebano it has affected them, and it has an effect on their performance. Intime party minyaya ka break bi ani ho nanke gusu sanimu gunko for so sa. But well, that is it. And that's the first observation. Second thing is that Peter Aminu Akwa and Baba Yaya excellent signings for Asante Kotoko. Excellent signings for Asante Kotoko. Peter Aminu Akwa and Baba Yaya. Mnantieno Abu Ejuma papa. The decision to get Peter from Park Academy has paid off. Brantiano 9 matches Kotoko Abuya Kunimdi to Asui Wutmi Hunensa Ewobonum. And he will be one talenter. When we are talking about his development, we will include Coach Ogum in the conversation. Say Ogum Abua a developer Brantiano and Peter Aminu Akwa. Good signing. Baba, excellent signing. In due course, you'll be analyzing Kotoko at the end of the first round. Signings are Kotoko and all other things. But these players are top class. And then they played very, very well for Asante Kotoko. The third observation, Sharif Mohammed finally gets the recognition he deserves. About to finish Sharif Mohammed finally, but me winning man of the match. Recognition now Brantini deserve not Ninse Tinyaka. Some of us, we've talked about Sharif Mohammed and how he's playing so well for Kotoko. Kotoko started the season with double pivot. Andrew Sintimenu, Michael Che Jamana, Andrew Sintimenu, Sharif Mohammed, Michael Che Jamana, Sharif Mohammed. Until Coach Ogum decided on number one with Sharif Mohammed. And this is a player who combining a Juma Mienu. One player or your teams Mienu, players Mienu Juma in the middle. Creating the freedom for other players to join the attack. Creating the freedom from the Yaya Lamte partnership to join the attack and do the distribution. So what I say. He finally gets the recognition, man of the match. Excellent. Sharif Tuasosa, and then he was the captain of the day. And being the captain, setting the example, leading the team to record an important away victory. Massive credit to Abrante and Sharif Mohammed. Finally, the fourth observation, we can say that Asante Kotoko team no Coach Ogumbo no said the last time Kotoko share Bofuna Meka said it has arrived. No? We can now say that it has arrived because the last 4 matches Kotoko keep clean sheet and they scored in all. Kotoko share has before the after the House of 4 game Olympic 0-0, RTU 1-0, Bofaka Tano 2-0, and now Baby and Go Stars 1-0. What it means is that the attack of Asante Kotoko is getting the goals, while the defense of Asante Kotoko is keeping the clean sheet. And this is what the Ogun boy is about. Again, they've been dominating in these respective matches on mobile. What in common I say? The Ogun boy now you concede less and you score more, no? And on a year Juma, they say you beating a cassette, the Ogun boy has finally arrived. I am also a young common for the Oha, made the air mouth, I was so bad team, and then based on the observations. Did we miss Lamte watching the game? Yes, to some extent. By field observation, we did miss Lamte Kaka. Yes, we won, but clearly it looks like in his absence, there is this kind of hole in the middle of Asante Kotoko. That is something that should be addressed moving forward. Let's give credit to the defense. Excellent defense, keeping a clean sheet in Baby, and it's not easy. On the first round, not Ghana Premier League, Kotoko conceded 2 goals. So if you go back there and you keep a clean sheet, let's give credit to the Kotoko defense for the excellent job. Moise Poate also keeping a clean sheet again. When he gets the opportunity in the goalkeeping department, he'll get the job done. For Team Efeno, Asante Kotoko. Ndiembo Poate so abaso ewoho. I moved to the signing of Kotoko no. Yambo Kotoko omo supporters nabaso. Oshe Payo Musifa eja team no ye uko etitafo no kwan omo kire odo eja Kotoko team no free baby ani a. It is an amazing one. Let's give the team credit. The Chitafo ni aje pa opio ko baby ani aje for the wonderful performance of the Asante Kotoko team. Now, let's come to the moment all of you have been waiting for. The moment you've been waiting for. Say, player Ben as se Kotoko signing here. Waka se Kotoko signing. Now, before I even move to that, mama no nyentete kakra. This year, I mean, new videos, baby. I think this is my third video. My first video of the year, me can't play and awesome. My first video of the year, I talked about Timo, Prince Kwabena Owusu, Emmanuel Enchi, Emmanuel Avenyo, and Emmanuel Korte. These were the 5 players I may come awesome. Of the first video of the year. I been mentioned, say Emmanuel Enchi, I confirmed it to her, say, Nkoma mi di ene se Kotoko the letter no call back team my friend no Great Olympics me nkoma wo ho no ene de omo so ka kire me ne kire se enya de abrante fe ni Emmanuel Entry ombeja na Kotoko, and they are not selling him this particular window ya bie to me kan Emmanuel Entry, so enye Emmanuel Entry the catch say Imoro deal is still ongoing, and I'll be one of the first people to break the news here. Enye Imoro Ibrahim, no, it's not Imoro. He say next aka Emmanuel Avenyo, and I'm betting for the response beba. Emmanuel Korte and no amaso to confirm and Prince Kwabena Owusu. Player na your forward. Inti or your forward there, it automatically takes out Emmanuel Korte, the right fullback ni free common. This akoka Emmanuel Avenyo and Prince Kwabena Owusu. Wine and a Kotoko signing we confirmed so was signed for Kotoko, and I'm a day man what say. So that TV and or your passports can confidently confirm it to you that Prince Kwabena Owusu has signed a contract for Asante Kotoko, and he is joining Kotoko in the second round. Take it from me. Prince Kwabena Owusu, Selba TV and or passports can confirm it to you that Prince Kwabena Owusu has signed a contract for Kumase Asante Kotoko, and the forward played his last game today for Babian Gold Stars against his new club Kumase Asante Kotoko. So Bedman American Assassin. Me say Prince Kwabena Owusu, so TV and or passports with me a catcher will say Abrante and in Sasha Kratase assign Ama Asante Kotoko. All Baba Bobo, Ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We any speculation, a confirmed signing, and I'm a day man. He is joining Asante Kotoko in the second round. Deal not a finalized and done deal. Let's say a done deal. And yet deal la ya fe no bi ni obi kan wa sa me nra me ma nte ho ma say after the game wo ba bia ni bibi besi and I catch you say me mbobo ni wie and when we go and watch the video me ten ho ma say after the game, and I mentioned his name in Prince Kwabena, say bibi ebesi to Prince Kwabena done Obobo Kotoko. Prince Kwabena Owusu. Prince Kwabena Owusu pese done. Obobo Kotoko second round. The forward Obobo Kotoko. Yewie. So Obe me na me kan. Enumere boy any baby any Gold Stars players no onra and no more goodbye. Enra and a Prince Kwabena Owusu and my baby any Gold Stars players no goodbye. GH Maxi. Expected graphics free GH Maxi ho. Mama Kwabena Owusu, thank you very soon. Expected graphics from baby any Gold Stars. So Mama Prince Kwabena Owusu, thank you very soon. And Chakra. No, I expected Kotoko social media manantiano. Stivo ene boys no ame boba akonidin this is crowd obi anim so ye adwuma Kotoko Stivo and Richard Beko expect say samrante no mienu so the welcome Prince Kwabena Owusu enche omo so de beba enche ntia anu refresh Kotoko YouTube no ya refresh ube Prince Kwabena Owusu interview na enche acha ene week no me say dey on e dan nti akaso bebe kumase ya share Kotoko jesi ometwa ne picture watena se no aye interview but nkrata so de second round or share Kotoko jesi mema mo evidence na nyanke otena no pa mema mo evidence o de ma memfa mo ko otena no pa enti mo amoba mo se mo pe confirmed no me mama mo confirmed. Am I pleased with it? Yes. Kotoko need a forward. And it will be a hair prince. Mo am here boy ni bi. I say ni na ho den na ode bobo na Kotoko any more for no. Obi a no san ho den ni bi was George Mfege. For now, please like oni a ho den bi. Bobo nte se ni a ho den asa. So Kotoko need that bully our attack. It's game na ko so meeting asesa. So the new forward aba me say waka goodbye e dey ama baby any go start for awie o trust story na anwa credit say obe cause we need baby wura ya anwa credit to your passport so cause we need baby wura ya e ko fa asem no e dey buy me ma wie enu we nyame nka no chira anopa 7:30 first interview with Prince Kwabena Owusu confirming so I join the Kotoko bed drop it. I was over TV. India grow hasi. Nyame ya watch ne bishia. Bye bye.